Today our video we are going to do some dinengdang. Okay, we have already done that one, but this is some different vegetable we have mixed everything. I will tell you that mixed with not too much vegetable, simple only, like papaya, kabatiti, this one kabatiti, okay, and this one eggplant.
This is kind of not easily cooked.
This is very fresh one only. Now only we have taken our backyard garden, okay, and just we put and then we will make them, okay. We will see how it is.
This one I also take in my backyard. This one I plant 3 years back. This kind of papaya, native papaya, I plant this one 3 years back. So now can harvest. People also go and take if you want to cook something for tinolang manok or something. So it's free. No need to buy. If you plant something, once it is harvested, you don't need to buy. Okay. Time to take simple and too much sweating, too much hot.
Okay.
Abracadabra. For dinner. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, you can see the smoke. The smoke, see, with some palok and some papaya. This one with the sagpaw. See. Nice. You see the kabatiti smell. Nice smell. Oh, too much hot.
You know the dinengdang. I told you right that this one is already prepared. You put the lights for this. You பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சூடாக இருக்குது, hot. Okay, I will keep in my leg. Actually, இது வந்து fried fish. Okay, right? This one is fried. And then this is papaya. Okay, raw papaya. Okay, mostly in India we don't put this one like in the soup. They never do that one. Very rare.
Ano yan?
And this is batiti.
What is in Tamil?
In Tamil we don't have like this one. We have, but I never tasted one. Maybe in Tamil something like Pirkanga. I'm not sure about that one. Rich garden. I'm not sure about that one. Okay, so this one is eggplant. See here, first focus, so that they can see papaya and some soup. Soup. And got very hot. See the fish. See here. Fried and you put in the dinengdang. This is called dinengdang. Ilakano dish.
Yeah.
Ilakano dish. Okay. So let me taste first the soup. Okay.
See the soup?
See. Okay. I will taste just alone the soup. Okay. Sour and not too much salt, a little bit, okay, and I can feel the taste of the fish, and the fish ஓட நல்லா டேஸ்ட்லாம் நல்லா இறங்கிருக்கு ஃப்ரை பண்ணி போட்டதுனால. The bagung, like they say here, bagungna அதாவது salty sauce, okay,
fish
sauce அது வந்து actually, so that is the bagung in here. So they will also mix that one. Here we don't have any masala நாங்கள் அவ்வளோவா சேர்க்க மாட்டாங்க. ஸோ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது ப்ளைனாக தான் இருக்கும், பட் நல்ல ஹெல்த்தியான டிஷ். ஸோ மோஸ்ட்லி சில பேருக்கு ஃபிஷ் போட்டால் பிடிக்காது. Most of them they don't like the fish in India like this one. They won't put, but some they will use and some they don't use. Okay, but I like this one because I will taste the kabatiti. Use the hand.
It's hot.
same like a cucumber taste. Okay, crunchy, not overcooked. But can feel the cucumber, something like that one, the taste. And not too much salty, very fresh taste. You can feel it. நல்ல ஃப்ரெஷ் டேஸ்ட்டாக ஈஸியாக உங்களுக்கு அதை ஃபீல் பண்ண முடியாது. இந்த ரா பப்பாயா சரிங்களா, கிரன்ச்சி, நாட் ஓவர் குக். ஹியர் மோஸ்ட்லி நிறைய பேர் அந்தளவுக்கு ஓவராக குக் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. பட் இன் இந்தியா, ஐ மீன் நாட் only India, ஹியர் in my place we used to cook over too much. Okay, not like that. Because in my home they don't like to cook like this. Okay, and eggplant. You can feel the bagoong taste, அதாவது அந்த salty fish taste எல்லாமே feel ஆகும். சரிங்களா, இப்போ ஓகே.
You see the fish?
சரி. நான் அந்த ஸ்கின்னை மட்டும் வாங்கிட்டேன். ஓகேவா, இந்த ஸ்கின்னை கொஞ்சம் எடுத்து
How's it?
நைஸ். எஸ், கொஞ்சம் போன் இருக்குது, அதனால் ஐ கொஞ்சம் போன் இஸ் தேர். Okay, I will eat with the rice later, and I hope everyone liked this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment. If you like the video, please share. And the person who haven't subscribe, please subscribe and share, comment. Thank you. God bless everyone. Bye.